Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about a game-changing indicator that helps you buy low and sell high with ease. Okay, so this is actually one of the best buy-sell signal indicators on TradingView, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use it. First of all, let us quickly go over what buy low and sell high really mean. Now, this is the foundation of any successful trading, right? The foundation of any successful trading strategy. The idea is simple, right? You just want to enter a trade when the price is low, a buy trade to be specific. You want to enter a buy trade when the price is low, and exit when the price is high, right? On the other hand, you want to enter a sell trade when the price is high and exit when the price is low. But in real-time trading, it's not always that easy to spot the right moment. It's not always that easy to spot the highest point and the lowest point, the top and the bottom. It's not that easy in real-time trading. Okay, so that's where this indicator comes in. Introducing the best buy sell signal indicator. Let us just add the indicator to the chart right away. All right. Okay, so as you could see that there are different indicators that have the buy sell signal function. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, let us just work with the total signal and EMA. Okay, let's just work with this particular indicator because there are different indicators with the buy sell signal function. All right, it is not just only one indicator that is like that. Okay, so this indicator automatically identifies potential buying and selling opportunities. And it does that by analyzing price action, momentum, and trends. It plots clear signals on the chart. Can you see? It gives precise buy signal, precise sell signals. So it tries to give traders signals for every notable price move. Now, as a scalper, you might find this indicator very interesting, but if you are a day trader or a swing trader, you might not necessarily grab every of the signals, right? Because you might not want to be entering and exiting and entering and exiting within a trend. So you have to add your market structure analysis in order to know when to enter and when to exit. For example, here we had a sell trend, right? We had a sell trend and there was a break of structure, you can see, and then you can see a buy signal appeared here. So you could have considered entering a buy probably around here. Then instead of exiting and entering and exiting and entering around all these places, you can just wait for price to get to a resistance zone, and when a sell appears around the resistance, you exit. Okay, so this is one of the ways to use this indicator. All right, if you are a scalper, it's fine to be entering and exiting and entering and exiting multiple times within the trend. But if you are more like a mid-term trader or long-term trader, depending on the time frame you are working on, you can actually decide to enter at the start of the trend and exit at the end of the trend. Okay. Now, to use this indicator, you just have to head over to your TradingView. You go to the indicators section and you search for the indicator. Like I said, that there are multiple buy sell signal indicators here on TradingView. There are a lot of them, right? But for the purpose of this video, we are just going to be using this particular one, right? However, buy sell signal indicators are usually indicators that give, buy and sell signals, right? Buy sell signals. Okay. Now you can actually decide to customize the settings. Once you've added the indicator to your chart, of course, you're going to see the buy and sell signals appearing at key moments. But we're not stopping there, right? Let us go to the settings. You can actually modify the settings. If you want to show fast also, you can do that, right? You can actually modify the fast EMA, short EMA, mid EMA, long EMA settings according to your trading style. You can change the colors according to your taste and all of that, right? Okay. So now, when you want to make use of this indicator, the main thing is the buy and the sell signals, right? But then the EMAs, right? The EMAs also give you idea as to the prevailing trend direction. So when you have price constantly moving above the EMAs, it shows that the bullish trend is prevailing. And when you have price constantly moving below the EMAs, it shows that the bearish trend is prevailing. So if you are a long-term trader, the indicator is already going to identify the trend for you. So you can just decide to grab only the buy signals in the bullish trend and grab only the sell signals in the bearish trend. It's quite straightforward. Okay. And when the indicators are widening, it shows that the trend is strong. But when the indicators start entangling each other, it shows that the trend is probably getting weak or a consolidation phase is probably incoming. Okay. Now, to maximize your success, you should backtest this indicator on different time frames and markets. Okay. It works well for Forex, stocks, and crypto, but you need to adjust it based on volatility and market conditions. You can also experiment with different time frames. On a 15-minute chart, this indicator can help with intraday trades. All right. While on a 4-hour or a daily chart, it is great for swing trading. All right. So now that you know how to buy low and sell high using this indicator on TradingView, it is time to test it out. So let me know in the comments if you've used this indicator before or if you have any questions. And before you go, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next trading strategy breakdown. See you in the next video.